Hey, this is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Services, and I want to thank you for stopping by my YouTube channel on this Travel Tech Tuesday. And today I'm doing an unboxing of this humidifier that I just got off of Amazon. Okay, so I'm doing this unboxing of this humidifier that I got from Amazon. It is the Comfort Zone America's Heating and Cooling Choice Portable Ultrasonic Humidifier. So this is it, voila, this is it right here. Comes in this nice box here. And just some of the things that it says right here on the box. It just says, relieves cold and flu symptoms. Idea for baby nursery, home, or office, and it looks like it's probably a pretty small size. It says it has whisper quiet operation, so I guess that's pretty good if you're a person that sleep light and any noise of any kind will wake you up. It says soothing cool mist. It has twin nozzles that allow narrow or wide mist to come out, and then it also has an auto shut off, as well as it can last up to 12 hours of operation. And it says the capacity is 0.6 gallons or 2.2 liters. So we're going to go ahead and get to unboxing. So how many of you guys use humidifiers out there? Sometimes I have to use a humidifier just due to like my seasonal allergies, or sometimes especially during the winter months where I have the heat turned up and it just gets so dry in the house, and sometimes up here in my nasal passage gets a little dry and irritant. So I do tend to use a humidifier, and the last humidifier I have, I actually kind of gave it to someone. But so I'm taking this right out the box, and like you said, it's not too big, so it's a nice portable size if you did have to take it on the go, especially too, like if you share an office space with someone who likes to have the heat turned up high, this might be a good idea, which I might have to get another one for like home and one for my office, or one of my offices. So just taking this apart here. Let's see, what else does it come with? Okay, so just right out the box, as you guys can see, the base was wrapped inside the plastic there. Looks like pretty much comes off the top pretty easy. There is an on and off switch back here in the back. And there's this nozzle here on the front, which we'll take a look to see what that nozzle actually means, or what it actually does. And just trying to see here, I'm just guessing, sometimes you just can get stuff and figure out on your own how it works. So pretty much here, it looks like it has a pretty easy and simple nozzle to unscrew, and pretty much you can fill your water here, and then just screw it back on. That wasn't hard at all to screw on or screw off, and then you just pretty much have to sit it down in here. Just sit it down in there like that. Let's see what else comes in this box. So the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier, it does come with the instruction manual. Okay, and so after reading the instruction manual here, this knob here, I guess this controls the amount of mist that you want to come out. So depending on how much mist you want to come out, you can either turn this dial up or down, to get more mist to flow out of it. So let's see here, and then I guess this would be the nozzles that will go at the top. And so you do have the nozzles, I guess, with the option of, as you turn it, I guess it can give more mist, have more mist coming out, or not that much mist coming out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use this overnight, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's plugged up and has the water in it, and we're going to take a look at how the mist comes out of it, from maybe a lot of mist to not that much mist. So we're gonna check it out tonight and let you guys see how it's working and give you guys my thoughts on it in the morning. So keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I have the humidifier on. You can see it's on the lowest setting. At this point, I really don't see any of the mist really coming out. I can feel it, but let's try turning it up some. I think you guys can kind of see it a little bit. I've turned the dial somewhat. And this does, you can turn this around to direct the mist as it comes out, which is kind of cool. And I'm gonna keep turning the dial here to see. Oh yeah, and I can tell the difference just by turning it. It's not even halfway yet, and you can see how the mist is coming out, and the mist, it is nice and cold or cool. And you can see as I turn the dial how much more of the mist is actually coming out. It's just a little over halfway. And this is as high as it goes. And you can see the mist coming out. And then you can turn it to have it going in one direction. And it is pretty cool. The mist that's coming out is cool. So I'm just gonna sleep with this for tonight, and we'll have my heat on. So just going to see what type of effect it'll have by the morning, and if it'll do the job for my bedroom. Okay, you guys, so it's morning time. Kind of just waking up here. Got my light on above me, but that's all the light you guys gonna get is this whole maneuvering light right here. So hopefully this will do the trick for seeing that the it is still going after being on for the night. I did move it off of the floor. It was on the floor. I did move my table. It's normally sitting over here in this corner of my room, but I did move the table over there so the humidifier could sit on top of it. I don't know if you notice, like the mist that's coming out of it is kind of like going kind of straight down. So when it was on the floor, I just didn't know if the mist would really go and spread across the room. And I'm thinking that I might want to put it on something a little higher. And as you can see, my room, I do have a nice size room. I did sleep with the door open, as well as I have my own master bathroom, which is that way. And I did keep that door open as well. And on the other side of my bed, I have my humidifier, I mean not my humidifier, my space heater up that way. So I kind of had the two separated, but I guess it kind of did its job for the night, because you know, I woke up this morning, don't have like a lot of dryness in my nasal passage, and I'm breathing pretty good on today. So it is, I did get up in the middle of the night and turn it up to the highest misting feature on there. So this is the cool mist coming out at the highest rate. And again, you still can turn the funnels, or whatever you would like to call these, you still can turn those to go kind of whichever way you would like for them to go. But as you can see, there's still, I guess, a good amount of water in there. If I would have probably been asleep for another hour or two, to where it still can keep going. And I think, like it said on the box, it can go up to 12 hours. So I think when I try it out tonight, I'm just going to put it up on a higher dresser that I have here in the room. Put it on something higher, because you see as it's high, and I just turned the kind of funnel, you see how the water is kind of, I mean not the water, but the mist is kind of going more across the room. And just another side note, since I typically do focus on travel here on my channel, this humidifier, it is actually very light. So if you did need something to use for a trip or for traveling, especially if you're driving someplace, this is like so light and compact that you could just pack this along in the car with you for those road trips. Or even if you're a person that's able to pack light and you have lots of space in your suitcase that you're checking on an airplane or something like that, I would say this is very light, so it will not weigh down your suitcase or your luggage if you pack it and maybe have it going under the plane, or if you're taking it on a train or bus. So yeah, pretty light, not only for the office and a small room, but also could be a great for traveling. That is this humidifier here. Leave comments down below. Also, I will leave a link in the description on where I got this from, like pretty much Amazon. So I'll leave a link down in the description if you're interested in getting one of these. And I think I would probably get one of these for my office that I do have. I think this will work out pretty good in my office. When you share the office with someone that does have on like a space heater, has it turned up higher, just if you're in an office space where it's just like super extremely hot. So there you guys have it. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for more unboxings coming from your boy J-Hen.